That's why I love cruising around new towns. I wouldn't normally do a knock and talk, but there's a for sale sign in the window, so I gotta see what this motorhome's all about. This thing's cool. This thing is cool. Tinted windows, can't see too much. Airbags are up. This thing is cool. Wonder if somebody will come out. Eight 704-648. Can't see too much. You don't see these things very often in my neck of the woods. She's got the big Mac case on top. Nobody coming out. I really don't want to knock on the door. COVID thing. I was really hoping somebody would come out. This is pretty cool. Just thought I'd share it. Alright, thanks everybody. This guy out.